With Doubtnut, get instant video solutions to all your maths, physics, chemistry, and biology doubts. Just click the image of the question, crop the question, and get instant video solution. Download Doubtnut app today.
Hello, here we have been given this question in which we have been asked which of these options will be equals to unity, that will be 1. So clearly writing x, we will get log b plus log c by log a. Y will be log a plus log c by log b, and z will be log a plus log b by log c. Now putting in the options, we get if we now write it as plus 1, if we add 1 in each and every term, we get x plus 1, that is equals to log a plus log b plus log c upon log a. Similarly, y plus 1 will be, numerator will be same and denominator will log b. For z also, numerator will be same and denominator will be log c. So now we take reciprocal of all of them. So we get 1 upon x plus 1 plus 1 upon y plus 1 plus 1 upon z plus 1 will be equals to, denominator will be log abc, a plus b plus c, it will be log abc, and numerator will be log a plus log b plus log c, which will be log abc. This will get cancelled and we will get value 1, and this is simply written as option number C. So we can say that option C is the correct option. Thank you.
For class 6 to 12, IIT JEE and NEET level. Trusted by more than 5 crore students. Download Doubtnut app today.